Okay, red star didn't happen. It wasn't my fault. The car should be good now. Or is it? Don't fail. I'm not getting that corner right. Let's try again. Why am I not getting this right?
Failure is forbidden.
Okay, what are you supposed to do when you overtake? Okay, I don't have enough seat time. What's going on? You better put on a show. They're going to be watching. Why does my chest feel funny? Oh no. We're back at the Toyota Gazoo Racing Media Cup Challenge 2026. For round 3, we're at TGR SAHQ, Zwartkops Raceway. Red Star was a bit of a downer, but there's some potential here with Zwartkops since it's a local to me track. It is high speed, but it also has some heavy elevation changes, adding to the technical aspect of this track. Of course, naturally, some sim training was afoot, so here's how that went.
Alright, you know the score of these things. This is me from the future, and I'm going to talk about a little simulation training feedback. We're going to talk about Zwartkops this time. So I have to hand it to the team that did this modification. It is accurate. So it is built of scan data, and it's been lovingly recreated for Assetto Corsa. So if you really want to train with Zwartkops, then I think this is your best bet pretty much. Okay, the buildings and whatnot are not exactly up to date because a few things have changed at Zwartkops, but the track width, surface, and just dimensions and everything feels really good. So I actually managed to get a few blistering laps on this modification, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with what's been done here. But is it gonna reflect in real life? So let's go to practice.
So the prognosis on this thing. So moral of the story, if you suffer an impact and you notice fluid leaking out of the vehicle, switch it off immediately and stop, because that's what cooked this gearbox. So I got a whole new gearbox, and yeah, the guys came in clutch and got it in the nick of time. So we're able to race this weekend as a result. So yeah, it's a bit of a humbling experience. Treat your car as well, ladies and gentlemen. That much is a given, I can tell you. So yeah, the Hornet rides again.
Now, I was not 100% health-wise on race day. Flu season this year was pretty bad, and I was shaking off what was already lingering around in me. Also worth mentioning, we saw the introduction of the GR Cup Hot Seat initiative, where 3 media personalities get to have the taste of wheel-to-wheel racing. Joining us this round was Girly Lukele, pretty fast competitor. How did practice go then? Let's find out.
Okay, practice uno. Let's go. I'm a man on a mission. Okay, that's chill. Okay. Yeah, it's a little bit skittish. Oh. Okay, we're gonna have to thread it all together for the next session. Just give a gap. Because I'm not getting enough space. He's not giving me space.
Alright, traffic was pretty bad on track. Zwartkops is smaller and shorter than most of the tracks that we've gone around so far, and the fact that we have a 25 car strong grid complicated matters quite a bit. Well, not much can be done of that here, so let's head to qualifying.
It's a brand new day, and my flu decided to flare up. So qualifying is in 1.5 hours. Wish me luck. Ugh, I'm so sniffly. Let's go look at the car. I am quite nervous. I feel quite sick. I'm lacking seat time. So I'm just gonna try. And then luckily at least they split the qualifying now because practice traffic was not good. I don't know.
Okay, I am definitely not finding a groove here. Qualifying, despite it being split, helped significantly, but I just was not finding the pace and I actually started to overcomplicate things. So I took the chance to rest for a while until the first race began because the flu medicine started to wear off. Fatigue was a bit of a thing. Anyways, let's see how race 1 went.
Look at the dealer team, or the Packer dealer cars come through the start now into turn number 1. The Corollas mixed in with the Yaris's there. It's dealer and media cars out there together on one start as they head down into turn number 2. Passing opportunities of the first lap for the GR Cup and GR Academy drivers. Great drone shot there from our producer. 3 for 3 and 4 they go. Oh, big move down the inside. That looked like a couple of cars making contact as passers would try to finish off.
Loves to do a little bit of off-track excursions if he can.
So much
Doesn't
so
help
he
his
did it
ability
again.
to get to the front end, though, unfortunately, there for Van. But we'll take
Oh,
nothing
more
away from
contact
him.
there.
Oh, there we
That's
go.
Theo Brits that's gone off.
Offside in the NMI Toyota.
Safety car.
At the moment, just behind Mikolos and Tsapanshi Shinyawa. Safety car is out, and that will be to collect that Theo Brits car sitting on the outside of turn number 8. It's not in the greatest of positions, especially considering that's quite a decent passing opportunity for all of these drivers.
And
in top form. I can feel it. Not in top form.
And racing throughout the field. This proving to do exactly what it needs to do. There is exposure through the media and dealer teams, but also in education for the academy drivers. Kobus Renica takes out the win ahead of Connor Weston. Connor Weston, this is all provisional. Kian Fussell in 3rd. Emma Darling taking 4th. Tsapanshi Shinyawa in 5th. Nabil Abdul, leader in the media class, or winner of the media class, takes 6th.
Not exactly the best result finishing in 4th, but man, there was some pandemonium on track. Again, I needed a significant amount of rest because race 2 was going to be a late afternoon race.
So I took some advice from some very good people that, listen, get out of your head. I need to get out of my head. That much is a given. So the first race did go off and, yeah, look, I survived the heat. I think I'll just put it like that. Second round is about to happen. It's late in the day, so it's gonna be, we're going out in 1 hour's time. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, terrible lighting. What am I doing? Goodness. We're going out at 4:30, which is an hour from now. So, need to get my head in the game, and then we need to perform. That much is a given. Also because everyone is watching, when all your mates are watching. Dude, do this, you can do this, you can do this. You are not a failure. You are not. You're just having a bad day. Bad days pass. But you can also turn a bad day around.
Picked up on the background. I didn't see it all day. It's been clear skies and absolutely ideal conditions to go racing in action.
To go. Oh boy, here it comes. Ah, that's it, dude. That's it. I think that's the best time I could manage. You know what, Hornet? You did good. You have survived a round.
Wow! Yolanda in third place for the media team. That's a good effort there from her. First time out for her. She's going to be pretty stoked with the podium in her second attempt at the Gazoo Racing GRSA Cup. So nothing wrong with that as they come to the finish. There you go. Confirmation of the unofficial results. Connor Weston.
Yeah, that's not exactly the redemption arc that I was hoping for, but who knows, we might be building up to it. Yeah, I really was not in top form this past round, and for two reasons mainly. The first being, getting sick and driving with such sickness is not fun, especially when it complicates into bronchitis. And the second thing is, and a lot of people highlighted this, which thank you very much for bringing that to my attention, I need to get out of my head. I was being overly technical, overly analytical, and worrying about silly things to the point where I was just stuck in a fog, and then looking at my footage now, I was overdriving the car and really not having a fun time. And as a result of that, I became slower. So in order to get out of this, I need to have a different approach for the next round, which is Autotraders on the 27th of June. Stay tuned for that. And it's simply, I need to just step back a bit, be less intense, enjoy the drive, and also just feel it. Feel the moment. Because this is a grand opportunity. And that's a perfect segue into the little victories of this round. I actually finished the round this time, and there was no accidents, no drama. So victory for that. Applaud for me, please. So with that, I think for the next round, let's just see how it goes. And let's see if this new approach is going to be to my benefit. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the AutoTrader YouTube channel so you don't miss another episode or expert car review and more. And don't forget, if you're looking to buy or sell a vehicle, AutoTrader is the #1 automotive marketplace in South Africa. For any other TGR content, please go and check the links in the description below. Take it easy, everyone. See ya.